First, grab your circular needles and cast on the required number of stitches for your project. Ensure your stitches are not twisted around the needle, they should all be facing the same direction. Next, hold your needles with the working yarn on the right-hand side. Slide the stitches to the other end of the needle, so they're closer to the tips you'll be knitting with. This will prevent any gaps between the first and last stitches when joining in the round. Now, take your working yarn and knit the first stitch on the left-hand needle using the right-hand needle. This connects the first and last stitches, forming a continuous loop of stitches on your circular needles. To ensure a smooth join, be mindful of any tension between the first and last stitches. Give the working yarn a gentle tug to snug up the join, but be careful not to pull too tightly, which can distort your stitches. Once your stitches are joined, continue knitting in the round as instructed in your pattern. The circular needles will make it easy to knit seamless tubes, eliminating the need for seams and allowing you to focus on your knitting rhythm. And there you have it, joining in the round with circular needles demystified. With practice and patience, you'll soon be seamlessly knitting hats, socks, and more in the round like a pro. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.